Oh god. So you might remember this white Volvo 960 from my vlog a couple of days ago. We were actually in the process of selling it, and guess what? It's sold! But not just to anybody. It's sold to somebody very famous. And that very famous person has asked me if I could MOT it for him. So today I'm taking this beautiful Volvo 960 for a little MOT. Come on, you can do it. Oh, the lights look dim. There's not much time left. We're running out of time. Where? Oh, there it is. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on! Come on! This time. Oh, come on! Okay, this time. Just needs a minute, it's okay. Oh, dear Lord. This time, feeling confident. This car is just destined not to start ever. This time, oh, this looks promising. I started! So this beautiful Volvo 960 has sold on eBay just a few days ago for the grand total of, I can't actually remember, but I think it was £510, something like that. This is basically a £500 car. This is the kind of car you can buy and drive to Rome. Why somebody who is very famous and has a lot of money, I assume, has bought this, I have no idea. In fact, that was one of the first things I asked him. Why on earth are you buying a £500 Volvo on eBay? And he told me that he likes old Volvos and he likes old cars. Because he likes that, he knows how to fix old cars. Modern cars are very complex. So here we are. This is the car he's bought. We've arrived, and we're 15 minutes late. Great. AK Automotive is who MOTs all of my cars, the Jaguars, before the Rust Rome trips. And yeah, there's Alan, who's a very nice guy that runs the place. Place your bets now if it's going to pass or not. It drove really nice, everything seems to be working, the wipers, the engine's so quiet you can't hear it running. I think it might pass, but time will tell. Wow, it's passed its MOT, I can't believe it. The very famous man is going to be very happy. So yeah, what a great car. So thank you to AK Automotive for doing the MOT for me. Like I say, use them for all of my MOTs, and I will definitely be back very soon for my next MOT with them. So time to head home.
What's this?
Hello, you're in my video now. Is that still recording? Oh my god! What's that for?